Tesla has recently announced that it has produced 1 million of its next-generation 4,680 battery cells at its pilot factory in California. The announcement comes at the same time that Tesla is expected to start delivering its new Model Y equipped with a structural battery pack comprised of 4,680 cells. But why Tesla is using this cell instead of other heavy batteries? Well, the reason for this is the epic updates and features of this battery. So, let's talk about this in today's video. And for that, all you need to do is watch this video till the very end. Hello everyone! Welcome to Tesla News Explained. Hit the subscribe button to get every news about Tesla. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we upload the new video. So, with that being said, let's hop into the video. With the launch of Tesla's new 4,680 battery cell in 2020, the company announced a new generation of cylindrical cells in a much larger format that produces 6 times the power and 5 times the energy capacity while reducing costs significantly. With the unveiling of the 4,680 cells, Tesla has been producing them at a pilot production facility in Fremont, California, and has deployed large-scale production at other factories, including the Gigafactory Texas and Gigafactory Berlin. Although Tesla refers to the facility as a pilot factory, the automaker had announced a goal of producing 10 gigawatt-hour of battery cells at the facility, which is much more than many other battery cell factories that are on a full scale. As of last month, Drew Baglino, Tesla's SVP of Engineering, said that Tesla was making meaningful progress in ramping up production at its pilot plant, but he wasn't able to confirm the production capacity. Since then, Tesla has announced that it has produced the 1,004,680 cells at its Cotter Road facility in January. It is not exactly clear from the words in the press release, but it seems like Tesla has produced 1,004,680 cells as of January. Unfortunately, this doesn't give us much information, since the current rate of production is the most important metric to determine what kind of production capacity Tesla can achieve with the capacity coming from the pilot plant. 1 million cells are enough to produce roughly 1,000 Model Y vehicles at the Gigafactory Texas. This means that Gigafactory Texas can produce around 1,000 Model Y vehicles at a time. And it is not enough, but if Tesla is able to produce 100,000 4,680 cells per week, it would enable Tesla to produce 100 Model Y vehicles each week. This would be a good start as production of the 4,680 cells ramps up parallel to Model Y production at the new factory. Moreover, Tesla certainly didn't hold back at Battery Day, announcing a new table-scale 4,680 cell form factor among many other things. By eliminating the tabs, the new form factor increases energy density, maintains similar thermal characteristics to the smaller cells, improves the power-to-weight ratio, streamlines manufacturing, and reduces costs. Another way of putting it is that the new Tesla 4,680 cell is like bringing a potato gun to a French fry fight. Let's look at each improvement the new form factor brings. Tesla was happy buying its proprietary chemistry from suppliers, but saw trouble coming. Tesla wants to grow at a rate of 40 to 50% per year, and to do that it needs more batteries. Tesla's battery forecast showed a gap between the capacity of its battery cell suppliers and its internal demand for energy storage in its cars. Thankfully, Tesla's teams have been hard at work buying and designing new solutions to help improve the battery cell format. More importantly, Tesla utilized its experience in manufacturing battery cells and its expertise in manufacturing machinery to rethink the entire process from start to finish. There are a number of benefits that have been provided by these efforts, including the development of new cylindrical battery cells, having a 4,680 tablets format that presents a number of advantages in terms of performance, manufacturing, and cost. And according to its name, the new jumbo cells have a diameter of 46 millimeters and a height of 80 millimeters. The larger jelly roll has 5 times the active battery material in the casing, making it able to store 5 as much energy and to deliver 6 times more power. Even if one were to scale up to the pack, the new form factor would deliver a 16% increase in range. The new tabless 4,680 cells are better in almost every way than cells with tabs. Even though they're bigger, eliminating the tab actually makes it easier for electrons to get around inside the cell. As Musk said, you actually have a shorter path length in a large tabless cell than you have in a smaller cell with tabs. Well, manufacturing's hard, but Tesla's commitment led it to design products that were easier to manufacture and revolutionize the industry. Anyway, That's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we come up with a new video. Peace out.